Hi guys, this is Mrs. Diamond. If you don't know who I am, I'm the one that works next door to Miss Kamay. We have decided that the two of us for the rest of this year are going to do the same thing. So I'm making this video for Miss Kamay's students. And I just wanted to show you how our look and feel is going to go and how it's going to work starting next week. Especially when she has her baby, we're going to put any announcements up here, up at the top. And so when you sign in on Monday of the week, the first thing you're going to see is this, and it's going to change what words, but it's going to have the same look and feel every week. I'm probably going to be one of the go-to people for Miss Kamay's classes when she does have her baby. So we are going to have this look and feel the same way every week. So the first thing is up here will be announcements. Here will be our learning goals. And then down here will be our assignments. If parents and students are watching this, I highly recommend that on Monday, you guys kind of write down everything that you need to do for every class. I'll provide Miss Kamay the organizer my students are using so she can post that up. And if you guys write down what you need to do, then as you check it off, parents, you guys know it got accomplished. And students, you guys know that maybe your parents know. So maybe there will be a little less tension in the family. So for this week, this number 1 is going to be a grade. Number 3 is going to be a grade. Number 4 and number 5. So if you guys are using some sort of organizer or agenda, if you write down those 4 things, as soon as they're checked off, you have done your work for the week. Things will be opening on Monday and they'll be due Sunday night. So you guys can work however it works within your family and household. We want to be flexible to you, but these are the 4 things that will be graded for the week. They'll be posted up Monday morning and they'll all be due by Sunday night. So the big thing you need to know here is that this is all you can see for now. So on Monday, when you look at this, this is what you're going to see. And then we're going to have to click next to see the next thing. So the way we set it up is that you have to actually complete the first thing before opening the second thing. And once you open the second thing, it'll go to the third. So you have to actually complete these in order and submit them before the next thing pops up. I hope that makes sense. So the big point of this video is that right here, there's a next button and you will click next. We're going to get to that little review on exponents. This is my teacher view. For yours, it'll look like a little quiz. It's only 2 questions. And then when you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see that next again. So again, mine looks different than yours, but right here at next, you'll click it and that's going to take you to the next thing. You have to submit that little 2-question quiz before you can get that next button. Once you get to here, there's a little bit of there's a video. We want you to view it. And then after you have viewed it, there's the next button again. And so on. Here's the next video. We're going to go to next once you view it. This right here is what's called Ed Puzzle. My Miss Diamond students have used this once before, but for you guys, we're going to want you to sign into Ed Puzzle. It is watching a video and answering questions during that video, and those questions will be a grade. So this is graded. And we're alternating weeks on which making it. Miss Kamay made this one. There's blank notes if you wanted to follow along and print it out. And it's one of our 2 voices, and we're going to actually be grading the questions that you're doing. Please reach out to us if you do have questions or if it's not working. This is called CK12. It's your homework. You put it in right as you go. So you'll be, again, yours will be something that looks a little different because mine's setting it. But when you do your answers, this is 15 questions. Some of them are 10. This is also an assignment that you need to actually complete. And then at the end, you'll click next. And then you have a little bit of a Canvas thing to do. That is your assignment for the week. And once you're done with that, you are done. You can do it all on Monday. You can do a little bit on Monday and a little bit on Wednesday. You can do a little one thing each day, however you guys and your family wants to work it. I hope that that was helpful, and please stay safe. And remember, if you need anything, reach out to myself or Miss Kamay. Miss Kamay, before she has the baby, afterwards, we will post on your announcement page what we are doing exactly to make sure that you guys all feel like you are supported and have a teacher. And we are all going to make sure this is a successful experience. Have a great day, guys.